Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 12C, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto correction on this XIAOMI. You need to begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access additional settings. Now tap on languages and input, manage keyboards, and revert. Following that, click on text correction, scroll down just a bit and tap on this switcher next to auto correction to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!